So, finance transformation program. You wheel in the consultants. You start to listen to the terminology R to R, P to P, order to cash, and invariably you've not heard it before because most teams are not structured in this way, particularly if they've never been transformed. Everybody knows what an accounts payable team is, they know what a procurement team is, but people do not think in end-to-end process terms of procure to pay. So you need to introduce this concept if you want to deliver your finance transformation program successfully. But what you want to avoid is one end of the process blaming the other for its problems. Typically your accounts payable process, which is the tail end of the process in terms of finally paying your supplier, faces the challenge upstream from how the procurement processes are set up. Now the only way around this, whether you're talking about AR invoices, AP invoices, or part of the R2R process, is a workshop that involves both ends of the process. So the way to ensure that you end up with cross-functional alignment and cross-functional cooperation is you need to use your consultants in order to drive workshops which drive communication and understanding across your different functions. That's the only way you're going to do it.